Sometimes you have the words in your mind, but they just don't come out in English. That fear holds you back. That hesitation hides your true confidence. It's time to break that fear. Stride Institute brings you a spoken English course that makes learning simple, practical, and enjoyable. Daily speaking practice. Easy grammar confidence building activities. Now, English will no longer be your weakness. It will become your strength. Join Stride Institute's Spoken English course today and start speaking English with confidence. Enroll now. power.strideinstitute.com. Stride Institute. Speak English. Build confidence. Afraid to speak English? We'll help you speak with confidence. Join Stride Institute today